Welcome. Today we are going to look at C.R.E. paper 2. Question 1a was about Isaiah's prophecy on the suffering servant. The servant will succeed in his work. His success and honor will surprise many who will have witnessed his suffering. The servant is despised, rejected, and ignored by those who are with him. He has nothing attractive. He is very ordinary and simple. He is harshly treated, arrested, and sentenced to death and killed. His body is buried with the bodies of rich men. Or rather, you can just say his body will be buried in rich man's tomb. He endures all that is done to him in humble silence. Through his suffering, human beings are reconciled to God. It is in the will of God that the servant should suffer. Activities that took place on the night of Jesus was born, and this you'll find in Luke chapter 2, verse 6 to 20. When Jesus was born, his mother robed him in swaddling clothes. She placed him in a manger. There were shepherds who were watching over their flock in the field at night. An angel of the Lord appeared to the shepherds in the field and told them of the birth of the Savior. The angel gave a sign on how to identify the baby. A multitude of heaven angels appeared praising God. The shepherds carried him off to Bethlehem. The shepherds found Mary, Joseph, and the baby lying in a manger. The shepherds spread the news about the baby to other people. The shepherds returned, glorifying God. Ways in which Christians respond to the issue of childlessness. They should consult medical experts for advice. They should pray to God to give them a child. They should visit children's homes to offer services to the needy ones. They should love each other and remain faithful. They should be patient and trust in God for a child. They can adopt a child and act as a foster parent. They can attend guidance and counseling sessions on family life education.